Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can open your account in the Wirex app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Wirex app. So once your Wirex app gets opened up, simply press on the register button. Then you need to now fill in your country's name from the drop down menu bar, your email address and your password. Once all these credentials are filled, simply tick on the I agree box and press on the continue button. So once you have done this, you will end up in this kind of page where you need to tap on the open email option. So after this, you have gotten an email from Wirex team. So simply tap on it and tap on the confirm email. So after this is done, your email has been verified. So tap in your first name and your last name. Then after this, all you need to do is simply type in your mobile phone number. So once you have typed in your mobile phone number, you need to now press on the continue button. Then a verification code will be sent to your number and you need to type it in. So once this is done, you will now have to set your PIN code for your Wirex account. So simply tap on set PIN and biometric and then type in your PIN code. Once you have confirmed your PIN code, you can now enable your biometrics as well. So after this is done, you can simply log in into your account as you have opened a new Wirex account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.